Say you are collecting something as your hobby, like stamps, video games, or maybe flutes. I love flutes. So, what is there in your collection is well defined. Means you would not put greetings card in collection of stamps, isn't it? When you hear the word set, does it ring any bell? When I was little, I wanted to make a whole set of action figures of Ben 10. So, set is a collection. Actually, a set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. Means a set is a collection of well-defined objects. If it is a set of action figures, you would not put Barbie in it. And distinct object means no element is repeated. I would not buy two grey matters for my collection. So every element is unique. So this is how we write a set. We denote a set by a capital letter. For example, say A represents a set of numbers from 0 to 10. Elements of set stays inside braces and separated by commas. Each element is unique. Nothing is repeated. You would often hear the term universal set. Now, there cannot be a universal set which contains everything in a universe, like animals, humans, planets, stars, aliens, numbers, etc. It doesn't make sense. A universal set is actually a set of all objects in a particular context. For example, a set of real numbers. It contains all the numbers we use in real life, like integers, fractions, decimals, even irrational numbers like pi, square root of 2, etc. It contains all the real numbers that we use. It is a universal set. All set of numbers we use is subset of this universal set. Now what is a subset? If all the elements of a set, say set B, is there in set A, then set B is said to be a subset of set A. For example, the set of whole numbers is a subset of universal set of real numbers. Because all the whole numbers are there in the universal set of real number. Let's take a simpler example. Say set X has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10 and set Y has 5, 7, 9. So all the elements of set Y is there in set X, but opposite is not true. So set Y is subset of set X. Now it is not always possible to write all the elements of a set. Here set X has few elements only, so we could write it. But few sets have infinite number of elements, which we call infinite set. Like say set of integers, there are infinite number of integers. Then we write the set in set builder form. Means we write a common property that defines all the elements of the set. For example, set of integers denoted by z is a set of elements x such that x is an integer. So here we say all the elements of set z is integer. Let's take another example. Say we are making a set of even numbers until 100 which are also square numbers. So we denote it by S. S is a set of elements x such that x is a square and even number and x is less than equal to 100. So all the properties that defines the elements of the set is given here. If we miss one of the property, then unwanted elements may get into the set. Say we didn't mention that x is even number. So 9, 25, 49, 81, etc. would be part of that set. Because these are square numbers, but these are not even numbers. So they shouldn't be here in this set. So define all the basic properties that defines the elements of the set. In next lesson, we will go into union, intersection and complement of sets. Till then, take care.